How to get YouTube Premium for free. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss and see if it's possible to get YouTube Premium for free. So let us just open YouTube. So as you can see, this is my YouTube right here, and I don't have the premium. So to get the premium, what you can do is just open up your settings right here, tap on your profile icon, and then go to purchases and memberships. So right here, you will see enjoy a free month of YouTube Premium. So the only way to get a free premium is for a month. Now this can depending on your region. So if you are somewhere else, you might get it free for 3 months. Yeah, so that is basically it. So what you can do is tap on learn more here, and you can see try 1 month for free. So just do this, try 1 month. Now you can there are different packages. For students, it's only a few dollars, so for each month. So make sure that you use the student one because it's much cheaper. So get this, tap on try 1 month, and after you do so, wait for a bit and you will get this option. Now tap on add credit card or debit card and go through the process and get it for free. Now make sure that you cancel the subscription before the 1 month is over, or it will start deducting your money. So that is basically it for this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye guys, take care.